Afternoon, everyone. With more energy. Good afternoon. Very good. Okay. You guys are from Science and Commerce, right? PUC 1 and PUC 2. Okay. It's good to see you all here. You guys are looking gorgeous today. So we are from Globe IT Institute. So to brief it up a bit for you guys, every Saturday we are providing free classes regarding all of these courses. Okay? All our faculties are here and the faculty for digital marketing. So first I will explain to you a few things about digital marketing as we are getting started. Every day you go on Instagram and you see tons of views being like you can earn in lakhs per month and everything, right? They are a bit of a stretch, but at the end of the day, there's a bit of truth in them. Now, who is the founder of Instagram and Facebook? Louder, I can't hear you. Mark Zuckerberg, louder. Mark Zuckerberg, right? All of you are here? Yes, good. Okay. So Mark Zuckerberg is the founder of Facebook and all of you are of age 17, 18, 19, right? Yeah. Mark Zuckerberg was only 19 when he founded Facebook and at this day he is earning 13.3 million per hour and he has done such a big technical breakthrough, right? So at our institution you can learn how to develop apps as well as websites. Okay, so you guys must have many ideas about new apps. You guys must have many innovative ideas about what you can do, right? Pay attention. Yes, all of you have many ideas about developing an app and everything, right? So to put those skills into good use, we are providing you free of course app training as well as website training. All of the courses are mentioned over here. Now about digital marketing. I know all of you are students and right now you can do nothing to support your family, right? If you can just learn digital marketing and learn as a personal assistant on like Instagram and Facebook and all, or do Upwork. Have you heard the name Upwork? How many of you have heard the name Upwork? No one? Okay. It's a website where you can earn as a student, okay, by offering work. How many of you use Instagram? All of you, right? Okay, put your hands down. It's so good to hear that you guys are using Instagram because just by using that you can earn in lakhs per month. And to learn how you can do that, you need to join our free sessions every Saturday. Every Saturday we are providing you all of these courses as well as Tally, GST, Java, Python, everything. How many of you are planning to do BCA in the future? No one is planning to do BCA? BCom? No one. Engineering, right? Okay. In engineering, you will learn a bit of basics of Java and everything, but we are giving you full stack training for free every Saturday. Okay. So behind this, our main initiative is to create a perfect environment for you guys to learn. Now, why are we doing that? Because we have an NGO named Youth India Foundation under which we are providing all of these amenities to you guys for free. Fine, good. Okay, let's continue. Yes. So we are providing you all the courses regarding Java, Python, and there's another one thing which is the new language which was introduced 3 years ago, which is Flutter and Dart. Now Flutter and Dart is used exclusively to develop iOS and Android applications, which is the most latest in our industry. If you are going for engineering, a full stack training will add so much to your CV you can't imagine. When you go to an interview, they don't see your face first. They see your qualifications first. In your CV, if you have full stack developed training about Java and Python and everything, then you stand out from the rest. I can see all of you and I can imagine you standing out from the rest. If there are 4 people and you're the 5th one and you have tons of qualifications and certificates, then obviously you are in bigger advantage than them. So every Saturday, and I am mentioning it again and again, entirely free classes regarding all of these stuff will be given to you at our institute. Our institute is at 8 Mile. So you don't forget the name. The name is Globe IT Institute. What is it? Globe IT Institute. Again, Globe IT Institute. Yes. You guys have such wonderful voices. I'm enlightened to hear them. Okay. So I want to see all these faces on Saturday in our institute. Okay. Because you guys are the future of tomorrow. Today is Mark Zuckerberg. Tomorrow again, Globe IT Institute. Right? Visit us every Saturday for free training regarding all this stuff. Okay? I am the faculty for digital marketing. If you are interested in digital marketing, then please visit us. And the other courses we provide are Tally GST and other things. Now, our Tally GST faculty will arrive here and she will explain a bit about it to you. Thank you so much. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Very nice. Hope you all are had your breakfast, right? Yes or not? Yes. Wow, so much energy. Very nice. So, okay, as madam said, we are going to train on basic computer. Have you learned basic computer? Yes. Yes. Then Microsoft Office. Who is the founder of MS Office? Yes, anyone? Who is the founder of Microsoft Office? William Bill Gates from US, right? Yes, you all know, but you are hesitating to stand up and tell, right? Yes, very good. In Microsoft Office, you are going to learn Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint. Yes, these are very useful for you all. Okay. Then comes Tally Prime, Tally GST. Tally and GST we are going to train you in our institute. Can I get to know how many students are there from commerce background? Can you raise your hands? Wow. Very nice. Have you heard accounting? Accountancy you are going to learn, right? It's a wonderful subject in commerce, right? Okay. Can you tell me what is meaning of accounting? Meaning of accounting? Anyone in your words? Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. Treat me as your friend and tell me the answer. What is accounting? Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Very good. Next. Anyone? Yes, clap for her. Yes, anyone? Anyone, do you want to improve that? Yes, who will improve? Okay, anyhow, I will tell you. What is accounting? Yes, boys? Anyone want to give try? Record. In which transactions? Financial transaction of business enterprise. Recording, summarizing, right? Have you learned, right? So you should not those things. You should understand. Okay. So now you are just entering transactions in your books, right? Manually. So nowadays all the business enterprises are maintaining their financial records in Tally. Understanding there is a huge and great demand for Tally Prime now. Tally and GST. In this institute, we are going to teach you how to enter financial business transactions in Tally Prime with GST. Okay. So all of you have pens, right? Pen, pencil. Yes. So can I get to know what is the GST levied by government on standard items? Percentage GST percentage 5%, 12%, 18, 20. You have heard, right? GST ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ GST ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಪೆನ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ GST ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ತಾನೆ? Will you pay or not? Can I get into the percentage? What percentage government has levied on stationery items? Yes? Okay, these are the options I am going to give you. Which option is right? 12? Yes, anyone? It's 18. 18% are going to levied on stationery items. So in our institute, we are going to teach you if you purchase a pen or if a company is going to sell a particular stationery item, how much GST will be charged. Okay, how much GST will be charged and for how much price it is going to sell. Okay, step by step we are going to teach you in our institute. Okay, then comes GST.
Can anyone expand what is GST? Very good. Goods and service tax. Our GST rate start from 0% to 28%. So there are some products which are government levied, some products. Okay, in our institute, we are going to teach you how to register GST, how to get registration process. Okay, for example, if you people have a company, you are going to register your GST. So we will teach you how a particular company will register under GST. What is the procedure for filing return? In online, we are going to teach you. That is what extra features we have in our institute. Are you getting my point? Are you understanding? Are you comfortable with English? Can I tell once again in Kannada? Yes? ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ GST ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇವಾಗ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ನಿಮ್ದೊಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಂಟಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನನ್ನ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ GST ಹೆಂಗ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅವಾಗ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ IT ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ GST ಹೆಂಗ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕಲಿತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? GST ಹೆಂಗ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಫೈಲಿಂಗ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೀರಾ? ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್ಲಿ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದೀರಾ? ಸೊ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಫೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಫೈಲ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಥ್ರೂ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಜೊತೆ GST ಕೂಡ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ GST? ಓಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಾವು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಮುಂದೇನು? Where should we go? You will ask? Yes. If you have trained with Tally and GST, okay, starting 15K to 20K you will get. 15K to 20K you will get up to 1 year itself. Once you have a thoroughly knowledge about accounting, taxation, tally, prime, etc., if you have thoroughly knowledge till 1 year, after that you will get 35 to 50K per month. ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 year ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು 1 year ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. 1 year ಎಷ್ಟಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಗೇನ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್. ಹೆಂಗ್ ನಾನು ನಾಲೆಜ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. 1 year ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ತಗೊಂಡು MNC ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಇವಾಗ. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಫುಲ್ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ MNC ವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ನಡೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್? ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ and in the world 90% of business enterprises are using Tally Prime. How much percent? 90% they are using Tally Prime. This is a great demand for Tally Prime. Understanding? Okay. Can I give one small example? Okay. Is it visible? Is it visible? Yes. Is it visible, students? Boys? Boys, please be concentrate here for few minutes. Please. Is it visible? Yes. What is this? Takadi. Yes, right. We will call him Takadi, right? Yes, very good. In one plate, how many boxes are there? Very good. In another plate? One. Where is the more weight? Two. Okay. There are two students. Ibru student idare. Interview hogidare. Okay, now can you concentrate here? Don't see that camera. See to me. Do you have mobile, right? You have camera in your mobile, right? Then please concentrate here. There are two students. They have attended interview ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಬ್ರು. One person have academic year certificates with thoroughly knowledge. ಓಕೆ, ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇದೆ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಇಂದ, ಫುಲ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ, ಎಕ್ದಮ್ ಟಾಪ್, ಫುಲ್ 99%. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಳಿದಾನೆ, ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ, ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಇವನ್ he or she is so brilliant, but that person have extra skill of this, tally, GST, MS Office. ಅವನಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂರ್ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಏನಪ್ಪ MS ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ, ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಟರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ, ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್, ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಏನೇನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಅವನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಳು ಕೇವಲ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಳು ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್. ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದೋಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್? These are extra skills. So, ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಯಾರನ್ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ? For whom should I choose? Very good. See, in your resume, if you are going to show extra skills, all these, the interviewer will select you people. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಇದೆ, ರೆಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ನನಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಜಾಬ್, ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಲ್ತು ನಾನು ಬಂದೆ, ನೋ, ಕಲಿಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರನ್ನ ಕಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ನ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸಿ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ ಎನಿ MNC ಕಂಪನಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್, they will not see your marks, they will see your practical knowledge. Further sir will explain software related. Okay, thank you.
Silence. How you are? Fine, good. Who and all are from the science field? Science. Others from commerce field, right? Okay. Have you ever heard about software development, softwares? Any programming languages? Which and all programming languages you know? Anybody learning now in second BC, right? In second BC, C, C++, something like that. Correct, right? Have you ever heard about Flutter language? Flutter? Nobody? That language? Do you know why it is using languages? Programming language. Why it is using? What is the use of this? Any idea? Anybody have idea? Building apps. You are correct. Building apps. Yeah. You can't hear me? Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. Now is it audible? Okay, fine. Have you heard about Flutter? Heard about Flutter? No? Okay, I will give you a small introduction about Flutter, about programming languages. Anybody want to work in IT company? Everybody? Silence, please. Anybody want to work in IT companies? Any IT companies? Anybody have dream to work in IT companies? Right? Okay. If you want to become a software developer or software engineer, you want to know some programming languages, some skill about programming and problem solving. This kind of skills you need to learn. For that, we are providing training. Okay, Flutter training we are providing now. Other languages also available. What is Flutter? Anybody know what is Flutter? Flutter is just a open source software. It's very easy to learn. Okay. See, you are learning C++, C. Compared to this Flutter and that language, this C is little difficult compared to this. What I am saying is, this that language is easy compared to C and C++. Okay. Do you have any doubt about Flutter? Okay, that's fine. See, Flutter is created by Google. the Flutter is released recently in 2008 December 4. It is released. So there is shortage of developers, Flutter developers. There is lot of job vacancies available in the IT field as a Flutter developer. Okay, if you study this Flutter, you will become a software developer. See what? Okay. Once attend the class in Saturday, if you choose some languages, and I will give you brief introduction about Flutter. If you use Flutter, you can build this kind of application like website you can build, iOS application you can build, Android application you can build with one code. Only single code is enough for building application. Okay, do you have any doubt about this? Hope you all understood it. Right? Okay. Fine, thank you.
Once again. I think all of you are getting more energetic, right? Yes, very good. Okay, hope you guys understood all the points explained by Five Sir. Did you? Yes, good. When you go home, search it up and see the incomes in all these fields, and you will realize how great they are and how much you should learn them. All of you are talented, right? Hardworking? Good. Okay, so prove that potential and come to our institute on Saturday. Now at the end of our session, there is a person who is behind all the innovation about combining all these courses and giving them out for free for you guys. That is none other than our managing director, Shankar Prajapati. Huge round of applause for him.
Thank you. Sir, which language more Kannada? Yes, all Kannada? Okay, good. I am also Kannada. Okay. So, ಗ್ಲೋಬ್ ಐಟಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ನಿಂದ ಶಂಕರ್ ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು. ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅದೇ ತರ ನಾವು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ನಾವು ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿ ಸಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಈಗ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸೋಮಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಫ್ಲಟರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಫೈಯಾಜ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಫ್ಲಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು 3-in-1 ಕೋಡಿಂಗ್. ಅದು ಒಂದ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, iOS ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದೇ ಕೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಂದ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾವೇನೀಗ ಕನ್ನಡಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಈ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೊ ಯಾವ ತರ ನಾವು ಫುಲ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ತರ ಈಗ ಫ್ಲಟರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3-in-1. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವೊಂದು ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, PHP, ASP.NET, Node.js, ಈ ತರ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ Node.js ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿರ್ಬೋದು ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಎಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ UI ಡಿಸೈನ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದ್ ಜನ ಈಗ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿನೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಬೋತ್ ನಾವು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ಲೋಬ್ ಐಟಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸಾಟರ್ಡೆ ನಾವು ಎವ್ರಿ ಸಾಟರ್ಡೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದೇ ತರ ಫ್ಲಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3-in-1. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೋಡ್ ನಾವು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ iOS, ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್, ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಒಂದ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಒಬ್ರು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಬೇಕು, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಒಬ್ರು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಬೇಕು, iOS ಒಂದು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್, ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಒಂದು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಜನ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 5 ಜನ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 2 ಲಕ್ಷ 3 ಲಕ್ಷ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಒಂದು ಓನರ್. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಫ್ಲಟರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ನಾವು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್, ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಎಂಡ್, iOS, ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ರು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆ ತರ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲಟರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಫ್ಲಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಈ ಐಕಾನ್ ನೀವು ಗೂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಗ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಏನು, GST ಏನು, ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಪೂಜಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನಾವ್ ಯಾವ್ದೇ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ನಾವು ಗೂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಗ GPS ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಏನು, ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ನಾವು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಹಠ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಓದ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಆಟ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದ್ಬೇಕು, ಆಟ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ನೀವು ಆಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಆಟ ಇಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ವಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ರಾಂಗ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ. ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಹಠ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಬಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ನಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಸರ್ ಬಿಜಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಪ್ಪ, ನನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಮನೆ ದೇವ್ರು ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ, ನಿಮ್ ಮನೆ ದೇವ್ರು ಯಾರು ನಮ್ ಮನೆ ದೇವ್ರು ಯಾರು? ಯಾರನ್ನ ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಮನೆ ದೇವ್ರು ಯಾರು? ಎಸ್, ಅವರೇ ಮನೆ ದೇವ್ರು. ನಿಮ್ ಮನೆ ದೇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಿಮ್ ಮನೆ ದೇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದ್ರೇನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ದೇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಮನೆ ದೇವ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಾವು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೀವನ ಕಲಿಯುಗಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ಅವ್ರು ಬದುಕ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ, GST, iOS, Android ಎಲ್ಲ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್, ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಎಂಡ್, ಜಾವಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫೀಚರ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you so much for your precious time, guys. Did you have a good time? Yes. Okay. So what is the name of our institute? Institute. Good. Thank you so much.